Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to flip an image or text using Photoshop. For me, I'm using the 2019 version. If you have any kind of other version, just follow my steps. It will still work for your versions. Now let's get ahead and click on File, click on New, and let's choose any template of these. If you want to create your own one, just click on these numbers and change their values. Now let's get ahead and click on Create, and from here we need to drag a picture. So we click on Open, and we choose, for example, this picture. Now if we want to drag this picture in here, we have to click on it twice, and let's remove the lock. Now we move it and we bring it in here. For example, let's say for some reasons in your project or your editing or whatever it is, you need to flip this image all the way around. Well, basically there is three steps or three ways to do so. The first one is just like coming in here and clicking on this icon in here on the properties and make it 180. The second one, if like you can also like do it in reverse by clicking again on 180, and it will go back when it was. The second method, it is clicking on this layer and clicking Ctrl T, and from here you can just type 180, and as you can see it is flipped. The third method, it's very simple. It's again click on this layer and then come in edits and then click on transform, and from here you have multiple way to flip your picture. For example, flip horizontal, now it is flipped in this way, and now you can flip it vertical, which gonna be flipped all the way around. Also there is other options like rotate 180, rotate 90 clockwise, and counterclockwise. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. Thanks for watching.